Hey guys, I'm here making a video about the Fat Bear Cub Scooter that I recently got for my birthday. Thank you, wife. I'm loving it. Really cool. Alright, when I first got it, it came in a crate, so you gotta take it out of the crate. Well, it's not that hard. Second, you had to put on a few parts on. Second was the handlebars. So you just attach the handlebars to the frame with a bolt right here that it came with. Then there was a few other parts like the pegs. There's another peg here, but I haven't put those on yet. You gotta install the turn signal lights here. It's pretty simple, just bolt them on. That was pretty much it. So there she is. Fat Bear Cub Scooter. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys how to start the scooter, because I had trouble starting it. So here we go. Comes with the FOB key, then it comes with the regular key. So I was looking for the key ignition this whole time, looking, couldn't find it. So then I'm like, all right, well, maybe I need to start it with the FOB key. So here we have unlock and lock button. We have a lightning bulb and the horn. Okay, to start your scooter, you push the lightning bulb twice. Here we go. 1, 2. And there it is. She's on. To turn off your scooter, you push the unlock button. There you go. So turn on, push your lightning bolt twice. I don't know if your guys' FOB key will be the same, but that's mine right there. All right. And the key actually goes to the storage for the battery here. So here we go. So when you first buy your scooter online, make sure to look at the power of the battery, because it gives you options to buy a smaller battery or a bigger battery. I got the medium battery. And then when you put it all together, you actually have to plug the battery, so it's not going to be plugged in. Here's how you plug it. So it'll be loose. Then you just plug it into the battery. So here's a little flip, and underneath the flip right here, you just plug it in. There you go. It's plugged in. And you just put back the cover. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's talk about the features here. So let me go. We got the front headlamp on, off. Let me turn it back on again. 1, 2. Okay, on, off. We got the turn signal, left, right. Got the horn. Then we got another horn. Don't know why we have 2 horns. And here are the gears. So first gear, second gear, and third gear. First gear allows you to go to up to 12 miles per hour. Second gear to 18. Third gear, if you want to send it, go all the way to 30, put it on third gear. But in order for you to go to 30 miles per hour, your scooter comes with a safety connection here. So if it's connected, this is not going to allow you to go 30. You have to disconnect it in order to go 30 miles per hour. Let me show you guys the headlamp. Very bright. At night you can see that it's very bright. Here's a turn signal, left. There we go. That's pretty bright at night too. You can really see it. Got my Niner flag, of course. Go Niners. Here you go. turn signal. The brakes works pretty good. At night you can really see it. The brakes, really cool brakes. I love how they're red. Okay, so then we got the brakes. Here's your front brake, and here's your back brake, and then here's your throttle. So you just pull back. So be careful when you pull back, because it has a little kick to it. It really does. All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. I'll be posting another video of how fast the gears go. So I'll catch you guys later. And oh yeah, I named my scooter. It's Knight Rider Kit. See you guys later. I'm out.